If you own a Can-am Ryker and your factory seat is starting to show some signs of aging, or perhaps you're just looking for something a bit more comfortable for that next ride, then you'll be happy to know that we now offer the Driver Combat Series Comfort Seat from the team over at Showchrome. This seat offers zone suspension technology that allows the seat to contour to your particular body shape and features a hidden central relief channel to alleviate pressure from your tailbone, as well as a supercell foam layer that's designed to absorb and diminish high pressure points while riding. The seat is wrapped in a maintenance-free marine vinyl with red piping and stitching for that sporty look, and also offers a moisture barrier just below that for minimal water intrusion. The seat measures in at 16 inches wide for maximum comfort and was designed with a slight dish contour to keep you planted under spirited riding. One of our favorite things about the seat is how it mounts to the bike. Now, I don't know if you've ever tried to remove and reinstall the factory seat, but the foam tabs on the bottom of that seat are darn near impossible to get back into place once removed. This seat, however, features a clever magnetic mounting system, allowing for an extremely simple installation. Align the 4 magnets, press into place, and you're done. The seat can be used with or without the BRP Max Mount. If you're running with a Max Mount, it's also compatible with the factory-style passenger seat installed. Once installed, you not only increase the visual appeal of your Ryker, but you get a seat that's been designed from the ground up with comfort in mind. If a Combat Series driver seat is something you'd like to see on your Ryker, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for your bike. Feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.